How to give Robux to friends. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how can you actually send Robux to your friend easily. So Roblox is an incredibly popular online gaming platform that offers its users the opportunity to both create and enjoy a wide variety of games made by fellow players. Within the game, Robux acts as a virtual currency, playing a crucial role in purchasing the avatars and unlocking the special abilities for enhanced gameplay. The process of obtaining Robux typically involves exchanging the real-world money for the in-game currency. Sharing Robux with friends can serve as a token of gratitude or as a thoughtful present for the special occasions such as birthdays or holidays. Friends can use their Robux received to access new games, purchase clothing items, and acquire various accessories for their Roblox avatars. While there isn't a direct method for transferring Robux to your friends, there exist alternative approaches that can be utilized. So I'm going to show a few of the methods. So the method one is providing Robux through the donation. One of the most commonly used methods to give Robux to your friends is by donating a t-shirt or another piece of clothing. This process involves your friend creating a clothing item and putting it for sale. You can then buy that specific item and donate Robux in return. To begin, request your friend to design a donation clothing item and make it available for the purchase. It is important to note that your friend must be a member of the Builders Club to create donation items. Membership obtained through the premium membership, that is $4.99 per month. Only those selling items need to be part of the Builders Club, as buyers can make purchases without joining. Once a donation clothing item is designed, your friend should set its price and upload it to the catalog. Make sure that your friend shares the names of the donated clothing with you, and next, log into your Roblox account. Navigate to the avatar shop using the top horizontal menu and enter the exact name of the donation clothing item provided by your friend. When you locate the item, click on it and then select Buy with $. A 30% market tax is applicable to all the items sold. After you've successfully bought the item, the Robux will be transferred to the seller, who is your friend. So another method is by creating a game pass. If your friend lacks a premium account to join the Builders Club, don't fret. You can buy a game pass crafted by your friend to give them Robux, and here is how. To begin, generate a game pass using your friend's account. Sign into your friend's account and select Create from the top menu. Then proceed to create a game. If you already have one, click the gear icon on the right of the game listing and choose Create Game Pass from the options provided. Use the Choose File button to upload an image, and any image from your device can be uploaded. Next, input a name for your Game Pass in the Game Pass name field, and adding a description is optional. Click Preview and then Verify Upload, and you should see the Game Pass successfully created message on your screen. Scroll down the page, click on the gear icon of the Game Pass and choose Configure. In the Configure Game Pass section, select Sales and activate the item for sale option and set the price. Note that you will receive only 70% of the set price. The remainder goes to Roblox as a market tax. For example, if you desire 100 Robux, set the price at 143 Robux. Lastly, hit Save and the Game Pass will be put up for the sale. Share the item link with your friends and encourage them to purchase the Game Pass to earn Robux. Note that this method does not transfer Robux right away. It takes up to 3 days to process pending sales and transfer Robux to the seller's account. Plus, the seller only gets 70% of the sale price, and Roblox charges a 30% tax on every item sold. So the method 3 is creating a group for Robux transfer through PC and mobile. Creating a group is essential for transferring Robux to your friends through mobile. You can donate Robux to your friends within the same group by transferring group funds, and if you already have a group, proceed to the steps I'm going to show you. First of all, begin by creating a group, access the menu icon, and choose Groups. Next, create group and input the required details. A payment of 100 Robux is needed to establish the group and complete the transaction to continue. Invite your friends to join the group, and subsequently, you must add group funds by creating a Game Pass. Click on the Create button located at the top bar and navigate to the Group Creation section. Choose the desired group from the left menu and click on Create New Experience and select a game to proceed. After creating the game, select the gear icon on the right and opt for the Create Pass and fill in the necessary details and preview the information. Proceed by clicking on the Verify Upload button and scroll down, click on Newly Created Game Pass gear icon and select Configure. Access cells from the left menu and activate the item for the sell option and specify the item price and save the settings. Any purchases made by others will transfer Robux to the group funds, which can then be distributed among group members. While within the group, click on the three-dot icon at the top right and choose Configure Group and navigate to the Revenue, then Payouts, and then One-Time Payouts and add the payout recipients. Enter the recipient's or friend's username in the designated field to allocate Robux, and the recipient must be a group member to receive the Robux. Specify the Robux amount for payout and click Distribute. The recipient will instantly receive the transferred Robux without any delay. Giving Robux to your friends can be just a simple task, just like purchasing a Robux gift card. If you find yourself with an abundance of Robux and simply prefer not to buy a gift card, there are still ways to share Robux with your friends. Although the process may appear somewhat complex, I just outlined 3 effective methods for doing so. So have you tried any of these methods? Share your experience with us in the comments below. So this was all about how can you give Robux to your friend or how can you send Robux. So if you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.